Alright guys, I'm on my Shield here. I'm going to show you how to get file linked and then into our store. And we're going to show EUMC today. My Firefox has been acting screwy, so I'm going to use Chrome. Alright, here's the address we need. I'll go ahead and retype it. https://www.filelinked.com. Enter. Download file linked. I'm going to hit open with Chrome just once. Download, open, install. I'm just going to hit done. I'm going to hit my home button. Open it. Layout. My APK stores. I'm going to add it. Let's check if it's in our unknown sources already. Oops. Go down to our security and restrictions, unknown sources. Right there, file linked, so you make sure to have it on or it won't let you install from it. So now we're going to open up file linked. Our code is 640-66022. Here, before we do that, let's so on here also, if you have that total virus scan, here you go, options, enable file scanning, so you can scan files before you, so we'll do that. Let's just leave all those on. And then 640-6602. Our pin is 7399. Tab, continue. And this box right here, that'll scan the file if you have total virus scan. This is if I made a video for the APK. And then this is the download. I'll show you the total virus scan first. All my stuff's in alphabetical order here. Or virus total. This is what you need to use this. So install that if you're wanting to scan. But I scan my device and ours are all good. But just for your own purpose. So we are looking for the big dog here. This is a game changer, guys. Right here, EUMC. Click that download arrow. Click that same arrow. It's a play icon now. That's to install. Install. And we will hit done. I'm going to hit my home button. Go down here and I'm going to edit my layout again. I am going to add it to APK stores and browsers. I don't know which one I want to use. Let's just use that one. And I am going to move this to the front of my row. Oh, let's click save. I keep my shield on anyway. So we're going to open up EUMC. We're going to update the wizard right away. Might have froze on here. Did it freeze? Alright, click continue. Build menu. Click OK. Now you pick your skin here. If you have like a touchpad or what, these all should work though now. This is my favorite, the holiday skin, but these are just all skins. I like the holiday skin. We're going to do a fresh install. Green is good, red is bad. Green, continue. My internet's running a little slow, I think. I don't know why. Alright, red is bad, green is good, so let's force close. Open it right back up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So I'm going to go right down to weather here. Click on weather. Over to the left, go down to settings. Click settings. Over to the right, down to settings. Location 1, click OK. Type in your hometown or your zip code and click done. Now it's going to pull up the states. I'm in Ashland, Nebraska. Go down and click OK. Escape or back once. Your weather should switch. That's my forecast. Escape again. Now up here, you got your Fire Stick. You got your Fire TV, you got your Shield, and you got your Android devices. Pick whichever device that you're on. Shield. I'm going to install the NVIDIA Shield Jarvis. This installs your advanced settings. On the Shield, once I click this OK, it's going to force close. On Android devices or anything else, you'll write your file, and then you'll go down here, and you'll hit this power button. So now I'm set for ready for a player. So then you go in your movie APKs. You go in the settings. Choose default player, don't matter. Default action, play with external video player. So once you pick a source, it's going to bring up, here I'll pick something here. Once you pick a source, now it's going to ask you what players you want to use. I'm going to open with the EUMC. I'm not going to open it. I'm just showing you guys. Same thing, cinema. Oops. Let me get in the settings here. Choose default play action. Open with. Cyberflix. Settings. Choose default action. Play with. Morph, you can just long press on your things. But you see how that works? Alright. The other game changer with the EUMC. But you're all set for a player now. You just got to go on your movie APK settings and change those settings. APK installer right here. He's got players. Somebody is asking about smarters. There it is right there. SPTB EUM Pro. I've been using that lately. YouTube Advanced. Love this. You need the micro G if you want to sign into it. We also have some of these in our store, but this is, trust me, you'll want to have this in your arsenal, guys. He has a lot of stuff I don't have because I don't use the Freelight TV, but I try to keep up with it for you guys. But another good, very good option to have, guys. Trust me, you'll want this. Your video on demand APKs. And then also for you guys that don't like to learn how to do your lean back launcher shortcuts for the Shield, he has a few of these in here. So just read the description. APK lean back launcher. That'll give you your Cinema HD shortcut. He's got a Silent Ghost shortcut. But I'm just walking through these real quick for, you know, go in here and look around. Miscellaneous APKs. Sideload channel. That's what I'm using for my home launcher on my Shield. I got a video on that I did for our group. Maybe I'll post it on YouTube. I don't know. But all these are all good ones, guys. Here's your blockade lean back shortcut. Some mouse toggles. Your media centers. This will be your Cody's and your SPMCs and forks. And he's got everything you'll need, guys. Just a whole slew. I believe, doesn't he have BMC? Yeah, BMC. The Badass Media Center. That alone has like 500 APKs in their APK installer. Music APKs for you music lovers. Games. I haven't been in here for a while, but he's got some games here. So there you go, guys. But what this is, it's a SPMC fork. Oh, he's got ROMs and emulators. RetroArch. There you go, guys. Happy chick. Oh, look at that. He's got a whole freaking packs. Oh, I'm going to cancel that. I'll have to check that out later because I reset my shield, so I lost my RetroArch and all my games, so I'll definitely be checking this area out. Alright, so let's get back to this is a fork of SPMC. And what these up here, this installs the advanced settings. So it takes 1/3 of your available RAM at the time that you write these files to help with your buffering, with your video cache. So you get a nice buffer zone. So it's a game changer on your movie APKs and stuff. But your power button down here in the bottom left, click on that to get to the wizard. But like I said, I wouldn't mess with any like these system settings. If you have sound system and stuff like that, you may want to post a question in our group, and Ed will be able to help you and guide you on what settings that you can mess with. I tried messing with it one time, but I don't know crap about it, and I lost my sound, so I just reset it back to default. But that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. So that's the game changer right here. Got my weather, and this is set up to be used as a player. I'd play a movie to show you how great it works, but you'll just have to trust me and just get it set up. If you need any help, just ask away in the group and we'll get you sorted. Alright? Thank you, Ed, and love you guys. Peace out and happy streaming.